everyone, let's start the video. So for this one, take the section of your hair tight and then pull it inside out. Now take another section of your hair tight and then pull it inside out from the first one. Now repeat the exact same process and then take the remaining hairs and start braiding your hairs as shown in the video. It will look like this. Now tie it nicely and then make it into a bun and attach it all together, and it's all done. For the next one, make a ponytail and then take the smaller section out of it and then pull it inside out. Now start making the braids out of it as shown in the video, and then take the smaller section from the remaining hairs and keep adding it to the braid as shown in the video. Now keep doing it until it will start looking like this, and then attach it on the top. It will look like this, and it's all done. Cute, right? For the next one, take your hairs and then tie it nicely with the help of the elastic. Now make a bun all loosely as shown in the video and then pull it inside out as it will start looking like this. Attach it very nicely and properly and then spread your hairs as shown it's done. For the next one, make a ponytail and then put the hair clip or the bun stick around it, and then take the section of your hairs into two parts and then tie it nicely as shown in the video. Now divide your hairs into two and then pull it inside out as shown in the video, and then once again make a bun out of it. It's done. For this one, take the section of your hair, tie it nicely and then pull it inside out as it will look like this. Now take the remaining hairs and start making the braids out of it till the end and make it very nicely and then tie it nicely with the help of the elastic. It will look like this. Now take it and make a bun out of it, and it's all done. It's cute, right? For the next one, make a ponytail and then pull it inside out from the side as it will start looking like this. Now make it into two parts and then make a bun out of it as shown in the video. Attach it all together, and it's done. For the next one, take the section of your hair tight and then pull it inside out. Now tie the front portion of it or the middle portion and make a bun out of it. Now take the remaining hairs, wrap it around, attach it very nicely, and it's done. For the next one, tie your hairs into ponytail and then take the smaller section from it and then start braiding your hairs as shown in the video. Keep making the braid as it will start looking like this by taking the smaller sections out of it. Once you are complete with that, tie it nicely with the help of the elastic and make a bun out of it. It's done. Cute, right? Thanks for watching.